Sitting by the fire in a comfortable chair is something I look forward to all year. Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI, and these folding Adirondack chairs from GREENVINES are durable, comfortable, and beautiful. These chairs are perfect for sitting around the fire, sitting in the sun with a good book, or if you're just vibing in the sunshine and listening to the birds. I've had folding Adirondack chairs in the past, and they were super hard to fold up and carry around, but these are not that way. I can fold them and unfold them easily and tote them around my yard. The composite material that they're made from makes them waterproof and weather resistant, and I can attest to that. I've had them outside for about a month, and they still look brand new. I love the sturdy cup holder. It's easy to access, and it can be tucked away when it's not needed. Also, the color of these is vibrant and beautiful. They came well packaged with easy to read and follow directions, and I had them put together by myself in little over half an hour. So if you're looking for a great comfortable chair that can easily move around your yard, then these Adirondack chairs from GREENVINES are exactly what you need. And that's my point of view.